Cheney. I'm the author of several cookbooks, including Year-Round Slow Cooker, 100 Favorite Recipes for Every Season. And I'm going to show you how to make barbecue chicken in the crock pot. What I have here, I have some chicken thighs on the bone but without skin or fat, right in my crock pot. I also have barbecue sauce. You can make your own or use a really good store-bought one. I really like this particular brand. Nice, thick, flavorful barbecue sauce. I also have in this bowl a rub for my chicken to give it an extra layer of flavor. And this rub includes Dijon mustard, light brown sugar, chili powder, salt, and pepper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this rub, and it's really kind of a wet rub for my chicken. So I'm going to just take my hands and make sure I kind of get all of it out of this bowl. And if you want, you know, for the demo, I just combine them all in here, but you can really do this all in your crock pot. And any errant chicken skin, fat, just get rid of it because you don't want it to be slimy from the slow cooker. So you really want the bone-in chicken thighs. You want to remove the skin and any excess fat, and you're just going to really rub them with this rub. And now you can either make your own barbecue sauce, which is easy to do, or you can buy a sauce. I have this great product here that I love, and I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to pour this barbecue sauce over my chicken in the slow cooker. And you really want to submerge it. Now, you really want a thick sauce because the chicken is going to release some liquid in the slow cooker, which is going to dilute it a bit. It's going to water it down. So you really want to cover your chicken with a thick barbecue sauce like this one. Now, once you pour it, you're going to cover this tightly with a lid and cook your chicken for about 4 hours on low heat in your slow cooker. Any longer than 6 hours, or the chicken will become kind of tough and kind of rubbery, will overcook a lot. So 4 hours, 4.5 hours is a perfect amount. And then I have over here the finished dish. You can see the tender chicken thighs in this rich, sweet, delicious barbecue sauce and some cornbread. I'm Dina Cheney, and thanks for watching me show you how to make barbecue chicken in the crock pot.